dura mater. It encases the whole brain. Now what they've done with these brains is they've kept the optic nerve here going to each eyeball. This is the fat, but there's that optic nerve. And this is called an optic chiasm because they crisscross. Everything is opposite the brain. So if I peel off some of this fat, I can, oh, look what they left. Yeah. Sometimes they'll leave the eyeballs just hanging on here. So what are these little structures here? These are the olfactory lobes.
Oh, okay.
And so the olfactory nerves go back from these.
You'll pin those.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
I'll pin muscles around the eyeballs for sure, and I'll pin every nerve that I can on any model.
What do you usually pin on the brain, on that brain, like the actual
Parts. So like this one, I don't have dura mater on the model, right? These are my least favorite scissors.
I'm sorry.
It's all right. See, once you peel off the dura mater, and again,
stinkier.
there are spaces in here, there's fluid in here, but that's Gandhi. The arachnoid layer, you really can't see very well, but you can kind of lift it up. See that? Because what's in the subarachnoid space? Cerebrospinal fluid. And then the pia mater is adhered right to the brain itself. I can't even get the pia mater off, right? So you start to see, you see the raised areas of the brain? Those are the gyrus, and then the sulcus, or the sunken areas of the brain. Now you can kind of see those olfactory lobes a little better. And if I get some of this tissue off of here, I can actually...
Are they bulbs or lobes?
These are the bulbs.
Okay.
So do you pin those or just the olfactory nerves?
Well, I'll pin both maybe, or one or the other, I don't know. Depends what spirit moves me. No scalpel? I need a scalpel, please.
It's partially open. Sorry.
No,
I
it's all
failed
right.
you, Deb.
Failed. Failed the class.
No. Far too much work went into this.
Automatic gap.
Jeez, that would be harsh.
That would be harsh. Look at that.
Look at that.
Duroseptal. This is a tough mother here to get off.
for real?
It's not cooperating at all.
It's okay. You don't need to pin one of these. Don't worry about it.
Oh, but I will. So did anybody in here ever read the Witcher books?
No.
No. Okay. I have to read them myself, I guess. So sheep is all linear, and us, this part goes down. See that? So I'm going to cut the brain in half.
What does it feel like? Like cutting a cake, or is it like
Like
a steak?
Like, no, it's
No,
not
it's
as
softer than a steak.
Yeah. It's like if you had
loaf of
a
bread.
liver.
mushroom?
So now you can
No.
see this is all
More
cerebrum,
like jelly.
right?
Yes.
This lobe would be the
Frontal.
for motor,
What?
motor, movement.
Oh,
For
for motor.
motor.
I was like, what is
This would be what lobe?
Parietal
For sensory. This lobe, occipital for
Vision.
vision. This lobe
Temporal.
for
Hearing.
hearing. This structure,
Corpus
corpus callosum for
separating the two hemispheres.
Bringing them together.
coordinating the two hemispheres. Neural connection is correct. This rounded area,
Midbrain.
Thalamus.
Oh, sorry.
This little discolored part here,
Pituitary.
pineal gland, epithalamus.
What?
Hypothalamus is right here.
Oh.
Okay.
Doesn't have a pituitary gland. You gotta pay extra for that. I'm serious.
Really?
Yeah. This part, cerebellum. There's the tree of life called the arbor vitae. So, and this is not as nice as is in your models, because you got midbrain here. Thalamus is always round. You got midbrain, then you should have a little bump out, and that first bump out is the pons, and then underneath the cerebellum is the medulla oblongata, and this is spinal cord, way back here. And I usually don't pin spinal cord, but I can.
But I can.
That pretty easy, yes, no?
Yep.
So you won't be pinning the pituitary.
Hypothalamus is for homeostasis, making sure that your temperature is right, your water balance is right, everything regulated in the body. Correct? The medulla oblongata controls basic, I'm breathing, my heart's beating, right? The pons helps to make sure that the breathing rate is regular. It's also a relay station, and so is the thalamus too. All right? This is for
Balance.
muscular balance, equilibrium. It's mainly muscular because your ear is for the whole body. Any questions? Okay, let's see.